Good morning from Bella's place. This is an area, I just wanted to shoot a video that I am now finished with phase 3. So I had to level some areas and terrace some areas that were really steep. And now I have some disabilities and it's a little difficult to hop up and down these rock walls. So I leveled out spots and I put myself some little helpers there. I fine-tuned some grading, and these are my lime trees. So let's take a look at the real project that I finished. As we go up this hill, I had some drainage issues, and so this video also documents for a future buyer, how did I solve this? Okay, so you can see the elevation and I'm tired out, but I needed to regrade this, and there is an early video of when I did it. So I put in a French drain, I dug down and I put rock underneath, and then after it settled and I got some initial grass in, now it's the fine tuning where I put some good topsoil in, made sure that my grass is nice and level with the pathway so that it's easier to mow. Okay, so here's the buried French drain. You can kind of see it down there. And as I do all of this terracing, my goal is self-watering. So as that comes down, it waters this tree. As you can see, we didn't have a problem with water there, but the other trees below weren't getting enough water. And so I've kind of regraded, you can kind of see here, I regraded and put little berms away from the building and over to water those trees better whenever it rains. There's my junk pile, sorry. Okay, so this tree, I have to go around because it has solar lighting going up, little fairy lights. Okay, so there's the trench. So I figured 2 for 1. You can see these pink rocks. So I figured let's just make this my little putting green. This used to be gardens, and it was too much once the restaurant wasn't open, and I didn't need all those peppers and all that basil to make pesto. And so these are 2 heirloom plants that I left because they still produce, this one especially up close. That is my Tabasco pepper plant. Okay, so there's my nice seating area in the shade, and the pink rocks are for my putting area. I have my golf course as I'm designing it, dual purpose, so that it has terraces, it waters things, and then you just drop the golf holes in. So here, I figured I already have a nice line. So around the corner, I added grass. There used to be gravel all the way here, but I had a crippled dog, so she needed more grass. Okay, so here you see this is kind of the high point. And so water really comes down here, and now it's gonna go underground. And I have a berm there you can't really see. And the water will go all the way around that way. And it will stay away from my windows. And that, I've raised this corner up so that the water will naturally flow to my trench. And here, I've robbed some grass if you wonder why this area doesn't have any, because I had a lot of cleaning to do on this wall before I sealed it. And so I pulled out the sod below and moved it elsewhere with little squares. And now we're back to the back door of my place, and you can just putt here in the afternoon shade. And then here is the gardens that I left and made improvements on my fencing for the dogs. This is new grass here, so again I got to keep the dogs out until it looks pretty. And there's some steps that I had to put so that I can access the upper area, which I've also leveled out and made beautiful. It's just gotta grow. This is the area next. All right, stay tuned. This is Bella Builds a Backyard Golf Course.